toy scrap. Oh, you got Flea. Flea and the pink one, both. Oh, maybe another? You want another? Where's your toy? How about this? The orange thing. Oh, go get it. Oh, there's Flea. Can I play with you with Flea? Come on, play with me. Play with me, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, you silly boy.
Oh, you're cute. You're cute. You're cute with all those limbs hanging out. Go get it. Oh,
Who did that?
you look cute.
He does.
You're a handsome boy.
Hey. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Are you burying that flea? Are you burying that flea? I think you are. Are you burying it? You are. You're very funny. You're burying it for later? Are you?
Trying to wake it up.
He's trying to bury it. With like nosing the dirt over. Oh. But then he's like, are you alive?
Where's your toy? Where's your toy?
Where is it? Go get it.
Where'd it go?
Can you go get
Where'd
it?
it go? Is it gone? Is it gone?
It's under there. I know it. I know it's under there. Yes. You're smart. You're smart. There he says it's good now. It's safe under there. Oh, he's good boy.
Sit. Off. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Off. Off. Off.